and the mashed ham. I've never done this before, guys. I've never done this before. I can't believe I'm swimming to another island. Ow! Oh my gosh! My shoe just broke. It's because of the resistance in the water. No, it just pulled out. What are those holes? Okay guys, we've resulted in taking off our shoes. I really hate the feel of seaweed between my toes. It's just so disgusting. My ears are still kind of blocked. My left ear feels so deaf. It's just ankle deep at the moment. The island is over there and we have to go all the way around. Guys, we're like halfway now. I'm actually really tired because the resistance in the water is like level 8. Like you're trying to walk, but the resistance is pretty hard. Oh my gosh, I look like a true fob. I am a true fob. This is such a good workout. Splashing everywhere. We're here at the island now. Guys, we've made it onto this island!
See guys, here in my village, so beautiful. This is the island here. In Siaosi, the other island. You can cross the sea, this island, this big island across the sea. Yeah, it's called Makaanga here in Siaosi. So you can come and have a look and whangoka guys. Get a pipi and the crabs. If you want to drink, you can go to your new here, short new. You can stand and hold. It's more matter for your umu.
It's really beautiful.
Beautiful.
Look guys. Give me my bag. This is so yummy.
Okay, sweet.
Yeah, give some to Langi.
Langi. Fere Paulia. Fere Paulia, Emma Mau.
Oh my gosh guys, look, there's a dead turtle washed up on the shores. It's just rocks here. Oh no. What does that mean? What's Baldia? Oh no. That is just so sad, guys.
Lokamali. Oi. Pero ko ingo. Lingim silo. Ôi dầu, ôi dầu. Let's go. Con ngập bé nó nhiều được. Wow, ai cho phải chị. Phía cuối kỳ phải nhau popo mà rồi có xoay lâu vã sao phải không
Look, there's Pippi.
nhưng qua đi dạ có vài mày dạ eu so cuidado con angiu e sa de me ta milo cuidado i so tele tanga tolo mai fai popo i o i mai ta te fangota nga ia wa i fai nga fang fa le ngai olong i sami wa so what is sami la so imagine if that sami comes straight to us look.
I've been waiting and telling Ossie to climb a coconut tree. I've never seen him climb a coconut tree. And look at the tree he decides to go and pick from.
Guys, if your eye got you, there's more over here. You can use the phone.
Wow, that's my island, boy. Whoop, whoop. Ooh. It's so yummy.
And you eat the what?
This one's so delicious. Still on the hunt, guys. We were supposed to walk all the way up until that lava, but it's so far, so we're turning back around and going the way we came. Guys, we just got back on shore now. It's pretty hot. That was a trek and a half, but it was really good exercise. It was nice to see. We hope you guys enjoyed it as well.
Yep. And yeah, I very enjoyed, guys. It's so beautiful. I'll show you more vlog about here in Samoa and Hawaii. Hope you guys enjoy, and you see back to the normal life.
So I want to show you guys from shore what it looks like. It doesn't look that far, but it actually kind of is if you go, because you have to take alternative routes. You can't go straight because it's like pretty deep in the middle. So you have to like go around, if you know what I mean. But we're all wet. And Mum's over there. I don't know what she's doing over there. Oh, she would have bought us ice pops. Oh, Mama. Ice pop now, courtesy of Mum over there. This is so nice. Just what we needed after a nice sunny day out in the sun. We're gonna do a mukbang tonight. Look out for it. We're here now in front of Mayava Bussi's store. I had to shower with a bucket, guys, and I think I did exceedingly well. It was just like a standard bucket. that you usually get like the Johnny's big ice creams in. It's like a 10-litre bucket. 10 litres? Is it 20 litres? 15 litres, something like that. But I showered and there was still water left. I think I did okay. I didn't wash my hair though, so just cleaned the main points. Came to get some sausages and some chicken, or Samoa, to make a barbecue because this is our last dinner with Osi'S fam. But we wanted to have a barbecue, so we bought some potatoes, and it's so expensive.
Too expensive to put some more here in Samoa.
It was $70. The Samoa was $70. Alright guys, we'll see you guys.
No rubbish, no rubbish.
See you guys when we're cooking the barbie.
Barbecue. So they were right there. They bought.
Muki ơi, Muki luôn là mà. Là đây cái con mới có bằng. Những cái măng.
À bên đây cũng kể cả ấy đấy mèo.
Đấy, nhảy cuộc lên nha.
Ali owl. What's an ali owl? Wow, what are these things? These are so weird.
Nó mà toan nhiều.
It's Ali owl.
It's an ali owl. Oh, it's a shellfish. Don't be so shellfish, Ossie. Are you so
shellfish, Ossie?
Ew.
Đã xí rồi mới đi lẹ cụ. Một cả vào đây mới đi aqua kia. Thế đấy.
Where the door is, Picoyo. Le, au café fe qua. Me không off for.
This is the Ali owl, guys. You see it?
It's a snail.
No.
Huh?
It's Ali owl. This one from the sea, look.
I'm trying to get it to focus, guys.
I showed us Ali owl with the camera.
Hurry up. Oh, there we go. Ossie got another thing. I don't know. Show the shell. Show the shell. Yeah. We saw so many of these there, didn't we?
Bên đâu đây em ạ?
That yummy?
Đi qua đi ha, bây giờ lại phu em bắt ngã đây là phu ngạc thôi.
Là phải ơi tên mà tới giờ mà tới bị tới.
Do you guys think he looks like Ossie? Or Ossie looks like him because he's older? Ossie, do you look like your brother?
Rồi, mà hay ra nó wow đó. Camera này đó. Kia lên luôn. Vậy rồi lên luôn.
Give me a taste.
Rồi.
Nó đâu đi suy à? Ai suy luôn.
Babe, seriously, there's like nothing on there. You didn't give me anything. Big
What's up, guys? It's your boy. It's your girl. It's your girl, Victoria. Doing the fit out first time. Now we're making a potato salad. We're doing a barbecue. Yeah, kỳ rồi lòng. Sick. Hả? We're making a barbecue, guys, and potato salad. This is the master chef here, and the other master chef.
That's Leila.
Her name is Leia. And her name is Victoria. And her name is Cheoya. And her name is Elizabeth. Her name is Ameria. And my name is Johaya. Yeah. There's a sausage here. Chicken there. Shh. Chicken and sausage. Pero akyo ang nga si siyo man.
Look, Osi's back sweating. Get into it, Os. Get into it. Put your back into it. Very nice, very nice. Very good, very good.
What's up? What's up? It's boy Georgina.
Too dark, mate. Guys, it's dark now. 6:30 it is. 6:30. Thank you. Guys, we got our food ready now. That's the barbecue we got. And they made it. Rice, got taro, pork sausages, sweet and sour from Osi's brother, and potatoes. Yeah,
Curry there.
there's more still, there's more coming. Look, and curry.
Nice curry. Saroy lang eh.
And Anjali.
Tangan din.